Hi, Kayla. This is the triangle problem for you. Hopefully, this will help you out. Very hard problem, but once you know how to do it, it's very confusing until you know how to do it. So I've set it up with a triangle with three sides, A, B, and C, and it tells me that one side is 15. So this is going to be a little bit messy. I'm sorry about that because I have to use my finger. The second side is 3 centimeters less than twice the third side. So your third side is your C. And so 3 centimeters less than twice the third side. So that means start with twice the third side and then come down by 3 centimeters. So that's the expression for B. Okay, so we know that A is 15, B is 2C minus 3, and C is just C. So because of this, the sum of the lengths of any two sides must be greater than the third side, we can set up three different inequalities. We know that A plus B has to be greater than C. We know that B plus C has to be greater than A. And we know that A plus C has to be greater than B. Okay, so we solve all three of those equations. One of them we will be able to throw out. You'll see that in a minute. And that will give us the information that we need to answer the problem. So instead of A, I'm going to plug in 15. B is 2C minus 3, and that has to be greater than C. So solving this, 15 minus 3 is 12, plus 2C greater than C. So now I'm going to move my 12 over because I like to always get my variables on the left. It just helps it make a lot more sense. So I'm going to have 2C greater than C minus 12. Now I subtract my C from both sides, and I have 1C greater than negative 12. Okay. That's going to be the one that we can throw out because, of course, C is going to be greater than a negative number. A, B, and C all have to be positive. You can't have a triangle with a side that is less than 0. So not helpful, but we still have to go through that. Okay, now the other two are going to be very helpful. So B is 2C minus 3 minus C greater than 15. All right, and so simplifying 2C minus 1C is 1C. Add 3 to both sides. C is greater than 18. Is that right? No, I should get less than. Hang on, what did I do? Plus C. Oh, this is plus C. Duh. 2C plus C is 3C. Sorry, so 3C is greater than 18. There we go. Divide by 3, C is greater than 6. Okay, so that's one piece of information. That's the C is our third side. So it's bigger than 6, so I can plug that in right there. 6 is the smallest C can be. All right, now I'm going to do the other equation, A plus C. So 15 plus C is greater than 2C minus 3. All right, again, I gather my C's on the left. So I'm going to have 15 minus C is greater than negative 3. Take away 15, and I will get that. And divide by negative, and that flips my inequality. Divide by negative 1, sorry. And dividing by a negative flips my inequality symbol. So C has to be less than 18. So C is between 6 and 18. Now I just got to figure out B. And I know that B is 2C minus 3. So I'm just going to plug in C is 6 and get an answer, and C is 18 and get an answer. Okay, so if I plug in 6, B is 2 times 6 minus 3, which is 12 minus 3, which is 9. So that's my smaller end for B. And then I'm going to plug in C equals 18. So if C is 18, then B is 2 times 18, which is 36, minus 3 is 33. So that's the largest that side can be. So hopefully that was a little bit helpful to see how you do that. You have to do all three equations. One of them will give you information that is, thanks, but no thanks. And the other two will give you the information that you need to plug in and solve the problem. So let me know if you still need help with this. Thanks.